I mean, it's been done, like on the flashes.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's big.
No, it's come towards me. Oh. Golden's on top water. No.
I mean, it's been done, like on the flashes.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's big.
No, it's come towards me. Oh, that's good, bro. Yeah, get the net. Oh, I nearly dropped him. Don't talk too much. Oh, that's solid, bro. That's got a bit of power in it, eh? Oh, actually a bit of power, eh? It's got a lot of power, bro. Feels like a diamond, eh? Feels a diamond.
Did it get on drop?
Yeah. Oh, kinda, not really. Bro, I gotta land this. This is big, bro. We're in a good spot though, aren't we? Should I tighten up or just...
No, we're that way tighten up.
He's not too far out though. That's big, man. It feels like a diamond the way it's circling. It's going towards that way. Bro, that's big, man. It's got a bit of power too, eh? And it's like... I might just chase it a little bit. Do you know how to drive it?
Nah, it's not. Nah, it should be alright.
It's just doing circles. It feels like a diamond. Feels like a diamond the way it's circling.
Could be.
It just had a lot of power in the first couple of runs.
Yeah.
Alright, watch out. I would need to land this, bro. It's solid, man.
I think it's a J.
How does bro know?
Austin's got it done.
Huh?
Austin's got it done.
This is how my diamond fought. I don't want to rush it though, but I want to see it. Should I tighten up a little bit?
I mean, what pound braid is it?
10 pound. 10 pound leader. And 10 pound braid. Are there any sharks here?
There is. There's a lot of sharks.
Oh, is that a stingray? Oh, it's a nice G.
Big.
Oh, it's not even that big. It's not even that big. It's solid though. What the hell? It's a G. It's not even. Oh.
I thought it just snapped.
Same.
Yeah, no, diamonds do like one big one at the start.
Oh, I've jagged him in the eye.
Oh.
That's good, bro.
It's solid.
What do you reckon that is? Like 48?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got him in the eye. That's why it went so hard. Oh, well, nice G, guys.
Oh no.
Oh, big boy, guys. Hopefully whatever that was comes back for it. That was a very big boil, guys. That was a very big boil. Oh, yep, got him. Don't want to go too heavy on him. Actually got quite a bit of weight. Ah, just a little bigger. Just a little biggie. A little big eye, guys. Whatever boiled at that before though. Stop it, I don't want to hook me. You know, not what we want, the size we want, but yeah. Oh. Righto, that's good. Nice little one. Oh, done now. Oh, yeah. Boil. Oh. Nice little boil on it. There's a couple actually boils on it, which boil. They're solid fish, whatever is boiling it. Rip the new sugar pen. There's gotta be GTs in here. Yeah. There is. Very nice canal. There's gotta hold fish. Yeah. Well, this goes back out this way, so we could probably go this way. It's mud. Well, Woods was good when we got there, wasn't it? It was good.
It started dying down after Ben and that came. So.
Oh, yes.
Oh, that's good.
Grab the net. That's a nice fish, guys. Try not to talk too much. This is a nice fish, guys. Oh, there's fish busting up over there. He slammed it. Oh, I don't know what this is, guys. He slammed it. Oh, he swam towards the boat.
We do.
Nice, whatever it is.
Coming from in a minute.
Just watch out. Oh, he slammed it. What is it? Oh, it's a tailor. Oh no.
Is it a good tailor?
Yeah, mid. Oh no. Just get the net. Just get the net ready. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh
No,
no.
he's looked him alright. He won't bite you.
Oh, you better. Oh, I gotta tell ya. I gotta get angry. Oh. Alright. Oh no, I hooked him very good actually.
Yeah, I know.
I'm not too worried. He wants to run. Yeah, net him.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Cheers for that, Cam. Oh, there's a bust up over there too. That's a nice little tailor, guys. It's a nice tailor. He slammed the top water. Not bad at all. It'd be legal. Not bad. Nice tailor, guys. I'll get a release on him. It's a solid one. Trying to get bitten by him, but it's not a bad tailor at all. He's not bad at all. He's gonna swim off quite quick, so he did put up a quite good fight. So oh. He's a bluefin one too, which is cool. Oh, and off he goes. Yes, hey guys. So let's hope we hook up. Nah, I don't want a photo, bro. Oh, yep. A little big eye.
That was quick.
Big eye. Oh, I popped it. Oh, oh, what? Did he just get sharked? That's got weight though, eh?
It's a tailor, I think. Could be a huge tailor.
Didn't get the eat, guys. I thought I was recording. But it's got going it still.
Still?
Oh, is it going for a jump? Oh no.
Oh, it's coming right back at you.
Oh,
Pump, pump, pump.
oh, I felt something very weird, bro.
It could be getting chased. Oh yeah, it might be getting chased, lads.
Oh no, what the hell's going on?
It could be getting chased.
Oh no. I'm gonna tighten up.
Pump, 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 pump. No, I think it might be getting chased.
Right, there should be fish here. We're at Woods Bay. Oh, we're getting a bit of a tangle. Okay, we're all good, guys. Oh, look at it out there. Nice cars. Oh, yep.
Oh my god.
Cast out there, bro. Oh, it's still on it, still on it, still on it. Yep, yep, yep. Oh. Cast out there, bro. Don't let him see, don't let him see. Just wind as fast as you can. Bro, chased it all the way to the boat. That was pretty cool, guys.